Hello, this is how I like to use a percolator. Percolators have been around for hundreds of years. So first you're going to add your water to the bottom canister. Then put your coffee piece on. Add in your coffee grounds. I like a strong coffee. Then you're going to add your top part on, and that's where all your coffee goes once it's all done. This method takes a little bit longer, but you don't want to cook your coffee too fast or it'll get a bitter taste. Place on your stovetop on medium heat. This method takes about 10 minutes, but you don't want to rush it. Take it off the stove right away once the top part starts filling with coffee. Now it's all done and you have a nice cup of coffee. The nice thing about percolators is you can take them anywhere, you can travel with them, you can camp with them. The rest of the video is going to be about how to clean and care for the percolator. The water part never gets too dirty, so you're just going to rinse that out. Make sure to dry very well because this can rust. You're going to want to clean the inside where the coffee goes. And you're going to want to clean the little part that the coffee goes into. I just use a little bit of soap and water. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.